My name's Bradley Dorrington. I'm the co-owner of the Wine Cellar in Bury St Edmunds, and I am a governor at Cambridge Regional College, where I studied a level 3 diploma in Hospitality Supervision about 10 years ago. I was studying A-levels at Samuel Whitbread Academy after my GCSEs and decided that that wasn't the academic route for me when I was working part-time in my local pub in Bedfordshire, and then decided to look into hospitality courses where I came across Cambridge Regional College. My experience on the course was great. I loved it. I made lifelong friends. We still keep in touch with a lot of people now, and having the facilities that they have at the college, essentially it's a fully running restaurant. So just to get that experience, hands-on, different things, themed evenings, different cuisines, going into competitions, it was a fantastic experience. It was only a year of my life, but it's one that I hold very fondly. Post-college, I went in and did a hotel management course with a training provider called Concord Hotels. The college brought in Glenn Harrison to do a speech for us and tell us about the course, and I was like, oh, okay, that's something that I really could see myself doing. I then took the assistant manager job at the Packhorse in Malton after qualifying from the Concord Hotels scheme, and then shortly after that I became general manager of a restaurant in Cambridge. Then kind of the next jump was to launch my own business, so it's been a steady trajectory since kind of leaving CRC. So we've been very fortunate at the Wine Cellar to receive a few awards over the last 2.5 years. So we were awarded Best New Lifestyle Startup nationally by the Muddy Stilettos. We also won Bury Free Press Business Awards Customer Service Award last year. And then also last year I was awarded the Acorn Award by the Caterer magazine, so that's 30 rising stars in the hospitality industry under 30. When you're recognised on a regional and national level, it really kind of hits home and makes you think, wow, okay, we can do this. What can we do next? It almost spurs you on to the next step. CRC was kind of the foundation where it was all built upon. I started my career journey there, and now I'm not at the end of it by any stretch of the imagination, but I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for Cambridge Regional College.